Welcome to Versatile Equipments, where innovation meets granular precision.
Hot distortion test is one of the very few qualitative tests to gauge quality of resin-coated sand or cold box sand cores. In this video, we will see how the hot distortion test is done. Now, let's go through the equipment setup process. Connect the power supply to the equipment. Configure the cloud synchronization system. Connect the equipment to vSync for seamless cloud-based result uploads, real-time report access, and easy retrieval of historical data. Adjust the gas pressure to the required level. The equipment is now ready for testing. To attach the sand specimen, follow the steps shown in the video. Press down the lever to secure the specimen. Align the specimen with the sensor for accurate measurement. Tighten the specimen firmly in place. Press start to initiate the test. The flame will ignite. If ignition fails, the equipment will automatically reattempt ignition. At any point during the test, if the flame extinguishes, the equipment will either reignite it or cut off the gas supply for safety. You can monitor a real-time plot of distortion versus time on the display. The test concludes when the specimen breaks and the flame extinguishes automatically. The final plot is uploaded to the cloud for record keeping. Caution: do not touch the equipment or specimen with bare hands after testing. Use tongs to unscrew and safely remove the specimen. Clean the burner and equipment using a brush to maintain performance. Test values, graphical data, and the complete timeline can be accessed on your desktop through vSync for detailed analysis.